Another correction we have to take into consideration is the correction due to slope. Now, when we say slope, kumbaga yung line ay naka-incline. So, for the correction due to slope, this is our equation. HD is equal to SD minus CH. Take note, itong HD na to, this is the horizontal distance. SD is the slope distance. CH, this is the correction due to slope. And, there are conditions or there are equations we have to use. Depende siya doon sa slope na given. If the slope is less than 20%, ito ang ating equation. If the slope is between 20 to 30%, this is our equation. And for very steep slopes, this is our equation. Ano ang gentle slope? What is steep and what is very steep? Now, let's say this is a point. Let's say this is point A. And this is point B. So, ang tinatawag nating slope ay, if I'm going to connect this line, sorry. So, let's say this is the point and another point. Now, if I'm going to connect these 2 points, this is my A, this is my B. So, ang tinatawag nating slope ay, slope distance ay itong distance na to. So, naka-incline siya. Now, if I'm going to draw a triangle, this is the VD or yung vertical distance. Ito ang ating HD or yung ating horizontal distance, and this is our SD. So, ang gentle slope, kapag yung slope natin, itong slope na to, is less than 20%, itong ating equation. Ang very steep slope naman kasi, ang parang itsura nito is ganyan. So, very steep siya. Kapag paakyat ka, tendency is mahihirapan ka talaga. So, these are the equations we're going to use for the correction due to slope. Now, in plane surveying, usually, dito lang tayo sa may gentle slopes. Special cases ang steep slope and very steep slope. So, again, for surveying 1 or fundamentals of surveying, we're going to use gentle slopes. Let's have an example. Slope distance AB and BC measures 330.49 meters and 660.97 meters respectively. The difference in elevation is 12.22 meters for A and B and 10.85 meters for B and C. Using approximate slope correction formula, determine the horizontal length of line ABC. Assume that line AB has a rising slope and BC has a falling slope. So, how do we illustrate this problem? First, let's say this is point A and point B. Bakit ganyan ang itsura? Balikan natin yung problem. Ang nakalagay kasi sa problem. Assume that line AB has a rising slope. So, from that word rising, from A to B, rising, pataas daw yung ating slope. So, ganyan yung itsura ng aking triangle. Then, ang slope distance ni AB is, slope distance of AB is 330.49 meters. The B to C, bakit ganyan ang naging itsura ni B to C? Now, again, looking back at the problem, BC has a falling slope. So, galing ka kay B, papunta ka kay C, pababa ka daw. So, ganyan yung itsura ng aking triangle. Then, the SD for BC is 660.97 meters. Now, the difference in elevation or yung ating vertical distance from A to B is 12.22 and from B to C is 10.85 meters. Ano bang hinahanap natin? Yan yung hinahanap natin. What is the horizontal distance from A, B to C? So, horizontal distance ang hinahanap natin. Now, if I'm going to say that this is my HDAB, or yan yung horizontal distance ni triangle AB, and this is also the horizontal distance for BC, looking at this diagram, I can solve for the horizontal distance of ABC if I'm going to add HDAB and HDBC. So, masosolve ko si HDABC, basta alam ko yung value ni HDAB at saka ni HDBC. Paano ko masosolve yung values ni HDAB at saka ni HDBC? Let's solve this one. First, let's solve for the correction due to slope from A to B. Again, our equation for correction due to slope is h squared over 2sd. Baka malito kayo, this is sd. So, substitute natin. The value of HAB is VDAB, that is 12.22, divided by 2 times 330.49. Let's check. That is 12.22 squared. Divide it by 2 times 330.49. 0.2259 meters. Okay? Again, ulit-ulitin ko, be consistent with your unit. Kapag meter yung ginamit nyo dito, dapat meter din doon. Meter squared over meter, maaalis yung isang meter, kaya yung unit na lang natin is in meters. So, for the value of HDAB, that is equal to SAB minus CHAB, that is equal to 330.49 minus 0.2259. The answer is 330.2641. So, that is in meters. Okay, nasolve ko na si HDAB. Kailangan ko pang isolve si HDBC. The same, I need to solve for the CH of BC. That is equal to 10.85 squared over 2 times 660.97. So, if I'm going to input that in the calculator, 10.85 squared, divide it by 2 times 660.97, that is equal to 0.891 meters. I round that up. So, masosolve ko na sa HDBC, which is equal to 660.8809. Again, this is not yet the final answer. I have to add the value of HDAB and HDBC. That is equal to 991.145. So, the corrected measurement of HDABC is equal to 991.145 meters. Another